Today we'll start with the sentence ये इतना भी बुरा नहीं है. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. एक तरह से तुम सही बोल रहे हो. In a way you are right. In a way you are right. एक तरह से वो मेरा भाई हुआ. In a way he is my brother. In a way he is my brother. मैंने उसे उधर जाते देखा. I saw him going that way. I saw him going that way. तुमने उन्हें कहाँ जाते हुए देखा? Where did you see them going? उसने रोते हुए मुझे बताया. He told me by crying. He told me by crying. वह अमीर होने का नाटक करता था. He used to pretend to be rich. He used to pretend to be rich. यही तो वो कह रही है. That is what she is saying. That is what she is saying. तुम्हें उससे पूछना चाहिए था. You should have asked him. You should have asked him. मुझे खाने का बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं है. I don't feel like eating at all. I don't feel like eating at all. जो चला गया वो चला गया. Who is gone is gone. Who is gone is gone. आपको झूठ बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You don't need to tell a lie. You don't need to tell a lie. मुझे बिल्कुल भी भूख नहीं है. I'm not hungry at all. I'm not hungry at all. मैं खुद फैसला ले सकता हूँ. I can take the decision myself. I can take the decision myself. तुम अपने आप को समझते क्या हो? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? क्या वहाँ कुछ खाने के लिए है? Is there anything to eat? Is there anything to eat? यही तो मैं जानना चाहता था. This is what I wanted to know. This is what I wanted to know. जो मैं कहता हूँ तुम वह कभी नहीं करते. You never do what I say. You never do what I say. आने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need to come. There is no need to come. ऐसे लोगों के लिए अपने आंसू मत बहाओ. Don't shed your tears for such people. Don't shed your tears for such people. मैं तुम्हें उदास होते नहीं देख सकता. I can't see you being sad. I can't see you being sad. ये खुशी के आंसू हैं. These are the tears of joy. These are the tears of joy. तुम साबित क्या करना चाहते हो? What do you want to prove? What do you want to prove? क्या तुम इसे ढूंढ रहे हो? Is this what you are looking for? Is this what you are looking for? तुम मुझे क्यों बता रहे हो? Why are you telling me? Why are you telling me? अगर तुम जाना चाहो तो जा सकते हो. If you want to go, you can. If you want to go, you can. क्या वह ठीक हो जाएगी? Will she get well? Will she get well? आप कौन होते हैं उनसे सवाल करने वाले? Who are you to question him? Who are you to question him? मुझे परवाह नहीं आप कौन हैं. I don't care who you are. I don't care who you are. उन्हें कोई अलग नहीं कर सकता. No one can separate them. No one can separate them. उसने मुझसे एक कप कॉफ़ी मांगी. She asked me for a cup of coffee. She asked me for a cup of coffee. उसने मेरा इंतज़ार क्यों नहीं किया? Why didn't he wait for me? Why didn't he wait for me? क्या बताऊँ तुम्हें? What do I tell you? What do I tell you? ये सुनकर वो बहुत खुश है. He is so happy to hear this. He is so happy to hear this. मैं तुमसे पैसे नहीं लूँगा। I would take money from you. उसने वह सब कुछ किया जो वह कर सकती थी। She did everything she could. She did everything she could. उसने दरवाज़ा नहीं खोला। She didn't open the door. She didn't open the door. समस्याएं किसे नहीं होती? Who doesn't have problems? Who doesn't have problems? अब तुम क्या करना चाहते हो? What do you want to do now? What do you want to do now? उस पर क्रोधित मत होइए। Don't get mad at him. Don't get mad at him. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या हो रहा है। I don't get it. What is happening? I don't get it. What is happening? अपने हाथों को तौलिए से पोंछ लो। Wipe your hands with a towel. Wipe your hands with a towel. क्या यहाँ पास में कोई नाई की दुकान है? Is there a barber shop near here? Is there a barber shop near here? क्या तुमने नाश्ता कर लिया? Have you had breakfast? Have you had breakfast? क्या मैं आपका नाम जान सकता हूँ? May I know your name? May I know your name? आपको सूचना दे दी जाएगी। You will be notified. You will be informed. ये कब किया जाएगा? When will it be done? When will it be done? मैंने उसे सीढ़ियों से ऊपर आते हुए देखा। I saw him coming upstairs. I saw him coming upstairs. वह खाना बनाने में अच्छी है। She is good at cooking. She is good at cooking. तुमने उसे जरूर देखा होगा। You must have seen her. You must have seen her. मुझे जाना ही था। I was bound to go. I was bound to go. मैंने पूरे दिन क्या किया? What did I do the whole day? What did I do the whole day? आज कॉलेज कोई नहीं आया है। No one has come to college today. No one has come to college today. अब पछताने से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं। It's no use repenting now. It's no use repenting now. मुझे लगता है हम पहले भी मिल चुके हैं। I think we have met before. I think we have met before. इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं है। There is no doubt about it. There is no doubt about it. आप किस बारे में सोच रहे हैं? What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? आपकी जेब में क्या है? What is in your pocket? What is in your pocket? उस व्यक्ति से सावधान रहना। Be careful of that person. Be careful of that person. क्या तुम उसके बारे में भूल गए? Did you forget about her? Did you forget about her? आपने हमेशा उसे गलत समझा। You always misunderstood her. You always misunderstood her. उसका चेहरा खिल उठा। His face lit up. His face lit up. उसे किसी की परवाह नहीं है। She doesn't care about anybody. She doesn't care about anybody. यह महज एक अफवाह है। It is just a rumor. It's just a rumor. उसने पहले कभी ऐसी गलती नहीं की है। He has never made such a mistake before. He has never made such a mistake before. कल आना मत भूलना। Don't forget to come tomorrow. Don't forget to come tomorrow. क्या मैं आपके साथ जुड़ सकता हूँ? May I join with you? May I join with you? बंदरों की पूंछ लंबी होती है। Monkeys have long tails. Monkeys have long tails. वो जानता था कि ये दिन आएगा। He knew this day would come. He knew this day would come. उसे दोबारा कभी मत बुलाना. Don't ever call him again. Don't ever call him again. क्या आपकी माँ घर पर है? Is your mother at home? Is your mother at home? आप इस बारे में बात ना करें. You don't talk about this. You don't talk about this. मैं इसे आपको बाद में दिखाऊंगा. I will show it to you later. हम अतीत को नहीं बदल सकते. We can't change the past. We can't change the past. यह एक क्षण में आ जाएगा या तो फिर तुरंत आ जाएगा. He will come in a moment. He will come in a moment. ये उस पर हंस रहा है. He is laughing at her. He is laughing at her. क्या आप आने के लिए तैयार हैं? Are you ready to come? Are you ready to come? उसके पास कार है तो सही. At least he has a car. At least he has a car. उसके पास पेन है तो सही. At least he has a pen. At least he has a pen. मैंने उसे पैसे दिए. I gave him the money. I gave him the money. हमें नियमों का पालन करना होगा. We have to follow the rules. We have to follow the rules. क्या आप एक काम करेंगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? यह सब मेरी गलती है. It's all my fault. It's all my fault. उन पर कोई विश्वास नहीं करता. Nobody believes them. Nobody believes them. वह अपने बालों में कंघी कर रहा है. He is combing his hair. He is combing his hair. Wow, you have completed all these sentences. Thank you for watching it. Bye bye.